Should we do like YouTube face? Like,
Yeah, please.
At Teachable, our motto is, if you've lived it, teach it. But can human intuition actually outperform AI when it comes to building a creator business? I challenged two of the creator economy's sharpest minds to build a business plan based on a prompt they'd never heard before. Then, I stress tested those blueprints in a way no one saw coming. This is Mental Objects.
Jayde, Lia, you ready?
Yeah,
sort of.
gonna have to get ready.
You're a corporate professional with 5 years of experience working in big tech. You've been posting consistently on LinkedIn and have approximately 5,000 followers. You've never sold anything online before. You want to launch your own online business in the next 6 months? You can only commit 10 hours per week. Create a blueprint to generate your first $10,000 in sales. You have 3 minutes. Go!
Oh, wait.
Okay.
What Lia and Jayde don't know is that they're not the only ones competing today. In fact, there are 3 other contestants secretly participating. And in the end, Anjali and Sundas, 2 of the internet's biggest up-and-coming tech influencers, will conduct a blind vote on which blueprint is the best.
So Lia, walk me through here.
I just cheated and added a taco, but that's supposed to be a taco. So I was thinking about like, what is the product I'm selling? Who's the audience I'm selling it to? And what is the business model? There could be a sale of like a digital product, not necessarily on LinkedIn, but like maybe I'm cross-publishing to YouTube as well. So then I'm like making ad revenue as well as my digital product. Then I was thinking like subscriptions, digital product, video and newsletter. And then what am I selling? Food reviews, taco recipes, all Mexican food. So it's gonna be something to do with food.
Yummy.
Love that. Walk me through here, Jayde.
Okay, so this is my vision for a digital product. It starts with my brain, and then I'm going to share that product with a price point to my audience, my consumers. And then when they buy it, it puts more money into my bag.
I love it. Very straightforward. Love it. Love it. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Compare and contrast a little bit.
I feel like there's similarities, of course. Like we're both thinking about who our audience is. And even though I didn't specify which channel, definitely thinking social media.
Right.
Yeah.
I think hers was more work-life balance though. I think you were thinking like wellness. I think my plan is a little more chaotic. So I'm gonna like borrow from Jayde and incorporate work-life balance.
Yeah, it's like capitalism, but make it cute.
Yes,
Exactly.
we like that.
So, in the spirit of collaboration here, I'm gonna have you do the same exact exercise, but working together on one whiteboard. Okay. 3 minutes, go.
The resulting blueprint from this collaboration will be what Anjali and Sundas ultimately judge.
For like 8 o'clock in the morning, this is way more intense than I thought it was gonna be.
So we're both marketers, and I feel like what we have to start with is knowing who our audience is. So we figured there's like 2 segments. We have our community first, and then our potential sponsors. And then from there, we have a product that we're selling them.
And we're gonna monetize both because we are not only marketers, but we're entrepreneurs and business women. So we're like, okay, we have community that we're gonna sell our digital product to, but like that's not enough. We wanna make more money. So that's why we're gonna have another alternative revenue stream so that we make
More money.
more money. Yeah.
We like income.
Yes.
So, I have a twist for you.
Okay.
And that is that I actually asked 3 other contestants to do the exact same exercise.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. Okay.
And who are those contestants? 3 of the most advanced AI models available on the market today. Jayde and Lia are going up against the best that AI has to offer. I transcribed Jayde and Lia's explanation of their collaborative blueprint in paragraph form, the same format as the 3 AI blueprints. I then presented Anjali and Sundas all 4 options to see which blueprint they'd follow.
Your fastest path is not a slow price course, but a high ticket offer. Pick one clear outcome you can help ambitious professionals achieve in 2 to 4 weeks. Package it as a service or small group coaching programs and aim for 7 to 10 customers in 6 months. This makes sense because they have a very niche audience.
Yeah.
Okay, number 2.
I'll bypass complex product funnel and directly monetize my existing assets. High ticket, one-on-one big tech career accelerator coaching at 1,000, meaning I only need to cover 10 clients, just 0.2.
I think the big tech career would work because they are in big tech.
Yeah. Contestants 3, yeah.
Identify your 2 core segments, your community and sponsors. Build a product for each side of the equation. For community, you want to do a digital product that solves a specific problem that your audience already talked about in comments and DMs.
I really like that.
Key is positioning sponsorship as a content partnership, not an ad buy. Yeah. I love that.
I know, I really like this because this one, compared to other ones, the other ones are like heavy up. You have to put in a lot of investment. This could be like low effort.
Here, they're also diversifying. They're trying both.
Yeah.
So there's a higher chance of one of them succeeding. So number 4, validate a digital product idea in weeks 1 to 4, and then package your big tech expertise into a focused high-value offer, a cohort-based workshop, and then you pre-sell it with LinkedIn posts.
Together, can I just get you both saying at the same time which out of the 4 that you would actually follow to hit $10,000 in sales?
Number 3.
From the get-go, you are trying 2 different paths. Compared to like the rest of them, they're like going all in on one thing. So if you're gonna fail, it's gonna take you 6 months to fail versus like number 3, pick something where you can like fail fast quickly and like get feedback and then iterate on it.
Well, I will tell you that number 3 was Lia and Jayde's.
Awesome.
Okay.
And who do you think wrote the other 3?
You?
ChatGPT, because I see some hyphens.
Claude,
Claude?
Gemini, and ChatGPT.
See, I guess we're right.
Nice.
What did we learn today? AI can definitely give you a plan, but the creators who win are the ones learning from people who've actually done it. That's the real play here, and that's Teachable.